What we're trying to do is allow individuals to go and be at depths of up to 200 meters for at least a month at a time. And what we're trying to do is buy time, raise productivity for science, for research, and other critical activities that occur on the seabed to happen in a more fluid and safe way. Everyone's focused on going to space, but we have this wonderful alien world in the ocean, a world that is wholly underexplored in terms of not only our ability to map that seabed. It's estimated we've only discovered 25 to 30% of the species that we believe are in existence in the ocean. And the applications in terms of what we might discover from a healthcare perspective or a lifespan perspective, it's more likely we find a cure for a neurodegenerative disease or cancer in our oceans, not anywhere else in space. So this is the world we need to explore first before we're so keen to get off of it.